This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing a USB drive with the PS4 update file and entering safe mode. First, power off the console fully and wait 30 seconds so capacitors discharge. Then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. That boots safe mode. While in safe mode, connect a dual shock via USB and the prepared USB drive. Make sure the update file is in /PS4/update and named correctly. Once done, select the appropriate safe mode option to begin the update process. You'll now run the upgrade. Choose Update System Software and then Update from USB Storage Device. The PS4 will scan the USB for a valid file. If it doesn't find one, recheck file name and folder path. Let the system extract and install the package. This can take several minutes, so be patient. Make sure the console stays on a stable power source. Interruptions during installation can corrupt the system. Once the progress reaches 100%, the PS4 will prompt a reboot to finalize installation. After reboot, confirm the system boots normally and check settings for the new firmware version. If you still see errors, return to safe mode and use Rebuild Database. That fixes corrupted file tables without deleting most data. If updates repeatedly fail, download the full reinstall package and perform the Reinstall System Software option. Note this erases user data, so you should back up beforehand. If hardware errors persist or you get disk write failures, contact PlayStation support for service options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.